How to back up iPhone to Windows PC without iTunes. Step 1. Download and install a third-party backup tool. Install a trusted iPhone backup tool such as iMazing, 3U Tools, or AnyTrans on your Windows PC. This tools allows you to back up your iPhone without using iTunes. Step 2. Restart USB connection and PC. Disconnect your iPhone, then restart both your iPhone and Windows PC. Reconnect using an original or certified USB cable for a stable connection. Step 3. Update iTunes or Finder and iOS. Even if you're not backing up with iTunes, keeping iTunes updated ensures Apple drivers work properly on Windows. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version to prevent compatibility issues. Step 4. Trust this computer. When the prompt appears on your iPhone, tap Trust and enter your passcode. This allows your PC and backup tool to access your data. Step 5. Verify the backup and safely disconnect. Check the backup tool to confirm the backup completed successfully. Once verified, safely eject your iPhone from the PC and unplug the USB cable.